Look at all this golden wheat, sweetie, ready for our feast. Hold it steady, little one. We must cut just above the root. It's tickly and tall. Is this the right spot? Whee! Gold flakes for the wind. No waste, good boy. All the gold. Hop, need to hop, hurry. We can gather so much more.
The highest ones are the crunchiest. Almost got it.
That's it, team. We're stronger and faster together. Steady steps now, strength in softness. Heave! We help! More power! Whoosh! Faster, Mom! Don't want warm flour.
Only the finest powder makes the finest bread. Wink?
Measure precisely. A recipe is a gentle song. Patience, young baker. Yeast requires warmth and time.
Water is the life. Slow and steady wins the dough.
Feel the dough's texture, sweetie. Work it with love. Each loaf holds a piece of our effort and friendship. Mine is the happy loaf. Needs a star. Oops. Quality control.
A strong base makes a strong fire and stronger bread.
Go forth, little loaf. Return golden and sweet.
Sealed tight. The magic begins now.
Patience is the spice of true accomplishment, young friends.
Almost. Patience is hard when you're wiggly.
Hear that crackle? It's almost ready. Almost time.
Oh, look! The golden reward for all our hard work.
Let it rest and breathe. The heat must settle.
Almost, almost. You have to wait. Listen to the crust. The reward for all our milling. Oh, it's warm. It's wonderful, fluffy and rich. Hey now! Wait your turn, little speedster.
Table setting is critical for a proper, grand feast.
A feast deserves beauty. a calm and graceful setting.
Everything in its place, ready for the sharing.
Order is important. We must share equally and fairly.
Hard-won rewards deserve a sturdy dish and good sides.
Let's remember the hard work that brought us this delicious reward. What a wonderful scent! We're so glad to join your feast.
There's so much bread for everyone.
Thank you, Mom Elephant. Very good work.
See? The hard work makes the reward taste even sweeter. Every grain mattered. That is the lesson of collaboration.
Don't be shy. True bravery is in the sharing of bounty.
Simple food, shared with friends. The deepest contentment.
I made the fun patterns. My loaf was the playful one.
You know the crust crumbs are the tastiest bits.
I shall save the crumbs for later.
Sigh.
Patience. See how the sun honors our Dale's work with this soft glow? The mill was hard, but having you all push made it turn quickly. The wheat stood proud. We treated it with gentle respect. All gone. A perfect feast is a shared and finished one.
Are we saving these crunchies for midnight snacks?
Cleanup is important too. Keeps the joy fresh. Today's lesson. Hard work plus friendship equals great bread.
Careful. Must save the oven's warmth for next time. Return to the earth. Everything is connected.
A brave worker respects his tools, always ready for the next harvest.
Leave no trace. The beauty of the day remains in our memory.
Look, Mom! A magic stone! Did the flower fairies leave it? Maybe not fairies, sweetie, but a beautiful memory for you.
My basket is light, but my heart is full.
Rest now, friends. Dog will watch over the work tonight.
The night is for rest. The mind should reflect on the Dale's gentle labors.
day and full, warm heart.
Good morning, Pineapple. Good morning, Goldfield.
Good morning. Dog is ready for the day's adventure.
Save the crunchiest bit for breakfast. Smart planning pays off.
Thank you, Raccoon. Energy for a new day's hopping. Pure water to begin. Life returns in quiet moments.
The final entry. Shared joy multiplies the reward of the labor.
The site is secure, ready to rest until the next great challenge.
Goodbye, Strong Mill. See you soon for the next effort.
The field rests now. But it gave us so much, with grace. Thank you, Golden Field, for the lessons and the bounty.
Where shall we go next? What new adventure awaits?
Always time for view. The world is full of good things.
Good to have a friend on the road. We look out for each other. The path forward is bright. Carry the Dale's lessons with you.
The labor is done. The learning continues.
Ready for the next climb. And maybe the next snack.
Haste is a distraction. Patience is the friend of true journey.
Walk with grace. Every path is a dance. The world is so big. So many new places to quietly explore.
I learned patience is like waiting for a seed to grow.
That's right, my sweet. And teamwork makes the harvest.
Come on, the world is waiting. Faster, faster!
Keep watch, little one. We rely on your quick eyes. Best work, best friends, best bread. Perfect day.
Ready for whatever comes next, little one. We are ready. Forward now, friends. More great things to achieve together.